Hey there, and welcome back to Hold and Modify, YouTube's most poorly produced, underproduced Amiga channel. And today I've got the Amiga 600, wait a minute, I think I'm in the wrong office. Where the heck am, oh my god.
This computer will rule the world.
Okay, so this is kind of a special video, as you can probably already have figured out. Yeah, so I've got my Amiga 600 here with Chris Edwards over at Chris Edwards Restoration, and I thought my Amiga 600 was perfectly fine. After he did an initial look at it, though, well...
Diarrhea, dingleberries, and more.
It looks like it smells.
God, it looks like shit.
Oh my gosh.
There's the turd one I just wiped, so we got metal back.
All right, cool. Look at that. So this board definitely had some issues. I thought it was fine, but nope, it was not fine. But Dr. Chris is quickly doing his thing here.
Yeah, quickly, slowly.
All right, so after a good scrub and clean, that composite and video circuitry area, all that gross blackness and stickiness that's on my finger, that's all gone. So it looks like the audio is pretty beat up, but Dr. Chris is doing his thing here.
And this pad is lifted a little bit, so is this one. But we're gonna fix that.
What only took, honestly, maybe 5 minutes of work. Dr. Chris has made this board look beautiful, considering the condition it was in when I handed it to him. And I didn't realize he could do things in only 5 minutes. Did you have anything to say about that, Dr. Chris?
2 hours, dude. 2 hours!
Okay, maybe it was 2 hours. I got this whole time dilation thing.
So, just like that, for you, it's been a couple seconds. For Kevin and I, it's been a couple hours. You can see that all the capacitors have been replaced. I even forgot one that I just redid. We cleaned up the green sludge on the pins. There's some green sludge in the pin that I want to get out. We'll go in with some, I'll grab Mona's toothbrush, dip it in the toilet, wash that down. So now we're going to go for a fire up. So give me just a few seconds your time, a couple minutes my time, to get the power supply and all the good stuff, and we're going to make sure this works. Watch it not work.
Yeah, and if you want to see the full results, check out Chris Edwards' video over back in his channel. And hopefully, when next you see me, I'll be back home, and we'll be using this 600, doing some fun stuff.
Document.
Amiga 1000 running Final Writer, connected to an old Oki Microline 590 24-pin. Yep. I'm getting a lovely, amazing
Free template letter.
for using the wonderful services of Dr. Chris. Thank you so much, and I will frame this letter and it will go into the Ham Labs.